Let's talk about first impressions. Picture this, a potential client walks into your office. What's the first thing they notice? Yep, you guessed it, the carpets. Clean carpets create an inviting and professional atmosphere that sets the tone for your entire business. But it's not just about looks. Clean carpets can also boost employee morale and productivity, creating a workspace that everyone loves to be in. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. Financial benefits of professional carpet maintenance. Now, let's get down to the dollars and cents. While it might seem like an added expense up front, investing in professional carpet maintenance can actually save you money in the long run. How, you ask? Well, for starters, regular maintenance by trained professionals can extend the lifespan of your carpets, meaning fewer costly replacements down the line. And don't forget about preventive maintenance, which helps nip potential issues in the bud before they turn into pricey repairs. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Health and hygiene assurance. We're all about creating a healthy work environment here. Did you know that carpets can harbor all sorts of allergens, dust mites, and bacteria? Regular cleaning by professionals helps keep these nasties at bay, improving indoor air quality and reducing the risk of respiratory issues for you and your team. In today's world, where health and hygiene are more important than ever, investing in professional carpet maintenance is a no-brainer. Customized cleaning solutions for business needs. One size does not fit all when it comes to carpet maintenance. That's why it's crucial to partner with a cleaning company that offers customized solutions tailored to your unique needs. Whether you're running a bustling office or a cozy storefront, a professional cleaning provider can design a cleaning plan that fits your schedule and budget. From regular maintenance visits to special requests, a customized approach ensures that your carpets get the TLC they deserve. Choosing the right cleaning partner. Now, let's talk about finding the perfect cleaning partner. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose. But fear not. When vetting potential cleaning companies, be sure to consider factors like experience, reputation, and service offerings. Look for certifications and accreditations that demonstrate a commitment to quality and professionalism. And don't forget to read customer reviews to get a sense of what real clients have to say. Well, folks, there you have it. Investing in professional carpet maintenance is more than just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a strategic decision with tangible benefits for your business. From boosting your brand image to improving indoor air quality and saving costs in the long run, clean carpets can work wonders for your bottom line. So why wait? Take the first step towards cleaner, healthier carpets today and watch your business thrive. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.